Good morning, everyone. The day is pretty good right now. So I was out today to do some cardio, and the reason that I started walking more from yesterday is my body fat percentage I have slightly increased, and I just want to cut down that extra body fat that I have gained in these holidays. I mean, I was back from Bangalore over a month ago for lockdown purposes, and in that span, I have gained a considerable amount of fat. So I started walking since yesterday to cut down my fat. And the step goal for today is about 8,000 steps, and I think 4,000 steps are already completed. So I'll be completing 4,000 steps now, and I'll be meeting you guys when I reach my home, and I'll be having breakfast too after I reach my home. So right now I'm having a breakfast, and before my breakfast I had 3 whole eggs and 2 egg whites. So unfortunately I couldn't shoot that video because I just had arrived from my cardio session and I was not in a position to shoot everything that I was eating at that time. So yeah, the meal number 1 was 3 whole eggs and 2 egg whites, and the second meal will be 3 whole wheat chapatis with some kind of vegetable curry that my mother had prepared for me. I don't even know what actually this is because she just prepared it for me and she had to leave early for her workplace. I'll not be giving all the macronutrient details in this video because this video is not any kind of full day of eating video or something, and it is not also sustainable to track your calories every single day. What most of them and what I do usually is I just plan a particular diet plan for like couple of months, and I just track the macronutrient information, or I just track my foods for like 2 weeks first, and after that I know that every single day I'll be having like similar food, so I stop tracking all my foods. And I also had to give some update about my Instagram, so I'll be giving that update after having my breakfast. So the update that I was talking about is that I have started a new fitness page on Instagram. So it's been like 2 weeks since I've started that page, and since then I have been consistently uploading all my workouts and nutrition that I take on that page. So if any of them who are watching this video are interested in fitness, muscle building, nutrition, you can go and check that page out, and if you like the content posted over there, you can just leave a follow to that Instagram page. So like I was telling you in the morning, I've started doing morning cardio since 2 days because after I came back from Bangalore, like I have gained almost 2 kilos of fat. I don't know how much of that is muscle and how much of that is fat. 90% of that is probably fat. So in order to lose that extra amount of weight that I have gained in these holidays, so if few people are facing the same problem, like if you have gained a lot more weight than usual, then I suggest you to lower down your calories. So just calculate your maintenance calories and just reduce 300 calories from that, and that will be your caloric deficit. And also impart some kind of activity like low intensity or moderate intensity cardio into your daily life. I have started doing low intensity cardio daily. I'll be doing high intensity cardio twice a week, and the rest of the days I'll be doing low intensity cardio. The combination of caloric deficit and cardio will help you to reduce weight, and of course make sure you add a good amount of protein into your diet because protein helps you to build muscle and hence helps increase your metabolism. So these things help you to keep your weight maintained or even reduce your weight for that matter. Now it's lunchtime, and if you people have seen my previous videos, you will be knowing that I always have oats in my lunch. So I've seen many people just having oats without adding anything to it, and I just wanted to tell that if you don't add anything to oats and you just have it like that, you'll get bored of it soon, and you'll just shift to other diet routine, right? So what I do is I always add milk, peanut butter, honey and almonds with some kind of fruit, it really makes it taste better than the normal ones, right? So and it is also sustainable. I'm also planning to do a separate video on my workout program, that is push pull legs. I'm thinking of just producing 3 videos. One is for push workout, second one is pull workout, and third one will be for legs workout, and hence complete all the body parts that are involved in this particular workout program. So if you don't want to miss that video, just hit subscribe and push the bell icon so that you'll get notified when that video is out. Okay. So if you are having any queries or questions related to fitness, you can always reach me out on my social media handle, and I'll be more than happy to help you guys, and whatever I know I'll be sharing with you people. So I'll be giving my Instagram account link in the description. You can go to the description and check that out. So अब जिम जाना है. Actually I was feeling a little bit lazy right now. मैं आज सोने ही वाला था और फिर याद आ गया कि एक दिन भी गैप नहीं होना है इस बार, because last week there was a lot of gap when I was training. Actually I think chest day and back day there was a gap, and rest all the days I had attended. So अब कुछ ढंग का खाना भी नहीं खाया. I have not taken any pre-workout. Just have eaten some of the grapes that was in fridge. So pre-workout कुछ भी नहीं लिया हूँ. So I'll be heading to the gym right now.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. But you never